Well, most schools in California have kicked off their fall semester with online learning, and many parents are struggling, especially those with lower incomes who cannot afford to give their children additional help. As Ediz Tiyansan reports, this could result in a widening education gap.
Mariam Kudrat has a son who just began 7th grade. Like most students across California, his education is now online.
He was explaining the assignments he had posted.
But distance learning has taken a lot of getting used to, and it's raising questions about its effectiveness.
So you can imagine the deficit in terms of the instructional minutes the kids are supposed to be getting is normally 240 per day. 240 per day, they're not even getting that much in a week now. So the learning loss is dramatic.
Kudrat has founded a group to unite parents who are concerned about the quality of online education. Many are now pooling resources to get kids together and hire tutors. Given the high number of COVID-19 cases in Los Angeles, the county public health department announced it would not consider any waivers for school reopenings at this point, a decision that left thousands of working parents struggling to find the time and resources to support their children's education at home. For lower-income families, it's already a challenge to make a living during a pandemic, and many do not have the additional resources.
I don't have enough to pay for internet. The only one who works here is my husband. We have to pay rent, bills, food. We don't make enough to pay $80, $100 for internet. I can use that money to pay for other things that they need.
The Los Angeles Unified School District has committed to providing devices and internet access for all its students.
Part of the challenge is making sure families let us know if they still need the tools and encouraging students to use them. Principals, teachers, and all of the staff at schools will keep working to connect every student with their school community and keep them learning.
But online education is already leaving behind certain groups, including students with special needs.
We have to find out some kind of way to help the special need kids, because they really need the one-on-one. And so with distance learning, I'm not quite sure. It is difficult, but we're doing it one day at a time and seeing where we can make accommodations and modifications to service the students.
Until then, some children will almost certainly be left behind.
And those kids not having pods, not having parents available, not having the support structure or the resources available to them, and those kids in terms of their earning potential, how much less will they be earning as a result of falling behind the way that they are?
Most parents are focused on the safety for their children, but they're also concerned about the long-term implications of an education system that lacks equal resources for all. Ediz Tiyansan, CGTN, Los Angeles.